Good morning grade 4. Welcome in your social science tutorial. I hope you all are doing fine and great. And today we will revise a chapter number 1, the physical features of India, with the help of a map of India, and we will also label all the neighboring countries of India along with the islands and the water bodies. So let's begin. So first of all, as you know, we are the 7th largest country of world. So India is the 7th largest country of the world, and it has the second largest population, that is more than 140 crore. Right now our country's population is more than 140 crore. So at the present our country's population is 140 crore, and we have a second largest population after which country? China. Yes, that's correct. After China we have the second largest, the population. Now the next things come here. We are a part of which continent? India is a part of which continent? India is a part of Asian continent. We are a part of which continent? Asian continent. India is a part of an Asian continent. Yes, that's correct. I know you all remember. And you know which separate us from the rest of the Asia part? That's mountains and the sea. Mountains and seas separate us from the rest of the part of Asia. And India is bounded with the great Himalayas from which direction? From the north direction. From the north direction we are bounded with the great Himalayas. Yes, that is correct. Now here next thing comes here. We are surrounded by water from 3 sides, and that's the reason we are also called a peninsular. A land which is surrounded by 3 sides from the water is called a peninsular. So as the India is surrounded with 3 water bodies such as Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. So this is the reason we are also called a land of peninsular. Is it a clear grade 4? Now next come, as I told you, India has several neighboring countries. We have several of neighboring countries by which we are surrounded. And in the north direction we have around 3 countries by which we are surrounded. Same goes in the east, same goes in the west and the south as well. So we will now label our map according to the direction. So first of all, what you should learn how to draw the map. So always begin your map downwards. आपने जब भी अपना बच्चे मैप बनाना शुरू करना है, आपने कहाँ से शुरू करना है? नीचे से शुरू करना है. कभी भी ऊपर से नहीं शुरू करते. अगर आप ऊपर से शुरू करेंगे तो आपकी वो जो मैप की शेप है, that will not be correct. So always try to draw your map downwards. Always begin your map from downwards. So let's begin it from here. From here. So try to make a triangular shape. It should not be straight. It should be a bit curved. इसको थोड़ा सा यहाँ से हमने curve shape देनी है, ठीक है? हमने बिल्कुल straight नहीं देना. And we will keep going. As you know, the India has a triangular shape. We have a triangular shape from a south direction. So we are going to give a triangular shape here like this, and we will continue. ठीक है? हमने यहाँ तक continue करना है, ठीक है? Make a curved here. You will finish it up here, then come to this side and make like a letter. You can say E or a W. जो भी आपको याद रहता है आपने अपने माइंड में वैसे इसको रखना है, और यहाँ से भी आपने इसको ड्रॉ कर लेना है, ठीक है? You will draw from here also. Now you will come to this side. Here you will also going to make a letter or a number like 3. आपने 3 बना दिया, M बना दिया, and you keep going on like this and make a U. Then go again and come down, make a M and keep going here a bit curve and make a here till here. ठीक है? आपने यहाँ तक बना देना उसको. ठीक है जी? Now what next? Next comes here. अब आपने ऊपर जाना है, top. ठीक है? ये हमने downwards, bottom से शुरू किया, अब हम top पे जाएंगे. So here we will make a 3, a big 3. और यहाँ से 3 को थोड़ा सा अंदर को हमने रखना है, ठीक है? और फिर यहाँ पे हमने small 3 थोड़ा सा small size में draw करना है, okay? And just go slant थोड़ा सा कर्व, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट नहीं जाना आपने, थोड़ा सा कर्व जाना, यहाँ से उसको ज्वाइन कर देना है, ठीक है। नाउ हेयर मेक अ स्मॉल स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड अ कर्व एंड जॉइन इट एंड मेक अ एस, यहाँ से एस बना दो, ठीक है। सो दिस इज योर मैप, so this is the completion of your map. After drawing your map, make a here like an oval or a drop shape. Here we have a neighboring country in the south, that's Sri Lanka. Yes, we have here a Sri Lanka. We will label it here Sri Lanka. Now we will label the countries according to the direction. So let's first begin from the north direction. So in the north direction, which neighboring countries we have? In the north direction we have China. Here is China. Always label your map in the capitals. Always label your map in a capital. Please remember this thing. Then here is a neighboring country, Nepal. यहाँ पे कौन सी आएगी neighboring country हमारी बच्चे? Nepal. And next to Nepal, we have which neighboring country? Bhutan. Yes, that's correct. So we have here Bhutan and we label it. Okay, so these are the three neighboring countries in a north direction, जो हमारी north की direction में है. Now we will talk about the countries which lie to the east. अब जो ईस्ट में लाई करती हैं वो कौन सी हैं? बांग्लादेश. Here we have a Bangladesh. Which neighboring country is here? Bangladesh. ठीक है जी. And here we have Myanmar. And here in the east we have Myanmar and Bangladesh. This is in the east, and in the west direction, here you can see I have marked it. Here we have Afghanistan. Which neighboring country is here? Afghanistan. So let's label it. So here we have Afghanistan and here we have Pakistan. Another neighboring country, here we have Pakistan. Here is Pakistan and here is Afghanistan. That's in the west. I hope this is clear. Grade 4 to you all. The directions of the neighboring countries. So these are the neighboring countries. Now only the neighboring countries which are in the south direction are left. Here we have Sri Lanka. The neighboring country in the south direction we have Sri Lanka. That's clear. Here we have Sri Lanka and here is the Maldives. Here we have Maldives. यहाँ पे कौन सी है बच्चे? Maldives. Okay, I'll just write the name here. I hope this is clear. So here we have Maldives. And Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan. That's in the which direction? Yes, that's in the west direction. In the north we have China, Nepal and Bhutan. Whereas in the east direction we have Bangladesh and Myanmar. These are the neighboring countries. ये हमारी neighboring countries हैं. Now next comes here the islands, or we can also label here first, you know, the Water bodies. So let's first label the water bodies. So first water body, the Arabian Sea, that's in the west direction. In the west direction, which water body we have? Arabian Sea. And the island we have in Arabian Sea, that is, yes, in Arabian Sea we have Lakshadweep Island. Here, this is a Lakshadweep Island. Which island is this? Lakshadweep Island. So we have Lakshadweep Island here in Arabian Sea. I hope this is clear. Now, next we have Bay of Bengal. The next water body is Bay of Bengal. And in a Bay of Bengal, we have an island, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Which island do we have? Andaman and Nicobar Island. In a Bay of Bengal. Next, we have the third water body, that's in a south direction. That's Indian Ocean. That is Indian Ocean. So that's Indian Ocean. In the south, the water body we have Indian Ocean. In the west, we have Arabian Sea, and in the east, we have Bay of Bengal. And the others, we have also labeled the islands. In Bay of Bengal, we have Andaman and Nicobar Island, whereas in Arabian Sea, we have a Lakshadweep Island. So, this is all about the physical feature of our India. So, we have talked about the neighboring countries, the water bodies, and the two groups of islands also. Now, the next thing here, we will talk about how many states do we India have and how many union territories. So, right now we have how many states? We have 28 states. Kitni states hai? 28 states. And we have 8 union territories. And we have 8 union territories. Previously it was 9. पहले 9 थी, आपकी बुक में भी बच्चे 9 लिखी हुई है और मैम ने आपको करेक्शन भी करवाई थी और मैम ने बोला था कि आपने इसको कितनी कर लेनी है, 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज. I hope this is clear. And Delhi is a national capital territory. Which is a national capital territory? That is Delhi, yes. That's the Delhi. Now next we will talk about the physical features. Now we'll talk about the physical features of India. So as you know, the land surface varies from place to place. जो land surface है वो vary करता है बेटे place to place, and you know it is not same everywhere. The land surface is not same everywhere. Somewhere we have mountains, somewhere we have a desert area or the plateaus or the plains. So that varies from place to place. And due to this reason, the climate of the, is also varies. And the climate is different from region to region or a country to country. We don't have a same climate condition everywhere. So the climate also varies from region to region. In the mountains, we experience the pleasant and a cold weather, whereas in the plains, we experience hot weather. What kind of weather we experience in the plain areas? Hot or a humid weather. So whereas in the mountains, as I told you, we experience cold and a pleasant weather. So the climate and the land surface varies from place to place, and the climate varies from country to country or region to region. So this is all about your chapter number 1, the physical features of India. So we have revised it. Now I want to request you all, do read your chapter thoroughly again, do practice your map properly, and also labeled it, and always do the labeling in a capital letter so that it clear to you as well and your teacher as well, that whatever you have labeled it. So, thank you. This is all about the chapter number 1, the physical features. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next class.